Hi guys, my name is Himanshu Verma. So welcome to my channel Himanshu Verma Marketing Psychologist. Today today's topic is going to very different and very interesting because today we are going to talk talk on list building, like how to create your email list or contact list, and how to acquire your first customer, and if you have already have existing business, so how to grow your subscriber list. So okay, so stay with me till the end because today's topic is very interesting. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Hello. Yeah, so today's topic is like some strategies to build your list. So there are five strategies I made. Like so, yeah. So the first strategy is use a landing page. Use a landing page on your website to build an email list. You need to find that your target audience to according to your customer avatar or customer persona. And if you don't know about customer persona, so I am giving you a quick check on customer persona. Customer persona is your perfect audience. Like who is your perfect audience? Who, what type of your audience suits with your business? Like yeah, if you are like if you are okay, if you are selling chocolates, so I think like all the young girls or the all the young girls and also the children are the perfect customer avatar for you. And yeah, this type of things. If you are selling a men's watch, so I think the a sportsman men's watch, so I think yeah, 20, boys like 22 or men's like 22, is the 20 to 35 is the perfect customer avatar for you, or 40 or 45 you can say. Yeah, so this is a quick check on customer avatar. We will talk on uh, okay, we will talk more on this topic on a different video. Okay, so let's get ahead with yes, some strategies to build a list. So you should use a landing page with your website. Okay, and if you don't know what is a landing page, so I can show you a landing page. Okay, so I am showing you. Yeah. So this is a landing page. Like I created this landing page for my website, like for a Facebook ad. I ran a Facebook ad for some times ago. For that, I made a landing page to build my subscribers, to grow my subscribers or to grow my list. Like here is the name and the email address, and they can like audience can fill their name and email address, and I can collect their name and address. Like their name and email address share save on the on my list by their own. For making this, okay, to make this landing page I use ConvertKit. Yeah, ConvertKit, I use ConvertKit is like this. Yeah, so this is my landing page starts for 2 or 3 days I think. I recently made this page, so I think 2 or 3 days only, or some 5 days. Okay, so you need to build your landing page and connect with your website if you want to be if you want more leads, like. And okay, and the okay, so let's get back to the strategies. So first strategy is like you need to build a landing page. and connect with your website, you need to give them something valuable in exchange of giving their email address. Like if they give their email address to you here, or their name or email address, or you can add more like this. You can add more like on this. Uh, okay, so this is it. Like you can add as many as you can, if as many as you can, whatever you can, like name, email address, mobile number, and many more if you want. But I think two is fine. Like we don't want, like nobody like to type too much, or to, yeah, nobody like to type too much, or in these situations. Yeah, so they get bored. So I think two is perfect. Only two types is fine, like name and email address. And if you want more, like more only for phone numbers. Okay. So this is about landing page, and you can give them a free. Uh, you can give them free content for in the exchange of their details, in exchange of their details. Like if they give you their details here, so you should give, like you can give them, if you your free book, a free book, or a webinar link, or some videos, free videos, or something, whatever you can give them, like for free. And if you give them, if you give something free to them, the chances is higher to they will give you their email address, or the name, or their details. Okay. So the okay. So let's move ahead to the second strategy. So second strategy is like create products and promote them through various channels. Yeah. So create products is like same. Like you can, if you are just starting out, like if you don't have any business, if you have business, so yeah, your product is ready. But if you don't have business and you just starting out with digital marketing type of things, so you can create like your own content. Like you can create videos, you can create ebooks, you can create a blog or a YouTube channel. So these type of things, and you can give uh, and you can use this content to build your yeah, build your list by the with the attachment of the landing page. Okay, so the you need to warm up these leads. You need to warm up these leads list by offering proper support before you make any promotion or recommendation. Okay, so first you need to warm up. Warm up is like you need to first support them. Like you need to support them via your YouTube videos. You need to help them, like make uh, make videos on their problems and try to solve their problems. It is a saying, like if you solve 20% of a problem, 20% problem of your customer, so the chances is higher that like he or she converts in a lead. If you uh, if you solve 20% of their problem, so the chances is higher, like he or she converts into their leads, your leads. Okay. And create the trust. People should get used to opening the email when they get trusted. Okay, so I forget to write, like create the trust. People should get used to opening the email when they trust you. Okay, like you need to create a trust first before sending them emails or something, or what's the way to create the trust? You can create the trust by sharing your content on various channels. Like you can create YouTube videos, you can make a blog, you can share your content on social media and help them, and try to help them as much as you can in free. So they automatically convert, uh, they automatically want to convert to you, to your course or something. Okay, so the third strategy is build your list through social media. Yeah, so the same is build your list through social media. Use all the social media channels, whatever you can. Uh, Whatever you can, like you can use Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or Quora, or YouTube is also a social media channel nowadays. So you can. What is happening on social media? What is happening on social media? You can like think think 1 or 2 minutes, and give me a comment. Like what do you think? What's happening on social media? Social media is like where the people's hang out. People meet to hang out and to interact with each other, and to, yeah, so like in social media you can give them context and giveaways, because all the people like context, and all the people all the people like to win. Everyone like to win. we all we all want to like win, so give them some gifts, or give them some giveaways or contacts, like make your Facebook presence or Facebook groups, and grow your Facebook groups with context and the giveaways if you want to grow fast. Yeah, like people like to participate, engage, and win, because everyone like to win, and everyone like to uh, everyone like to connect also, as many as people they can create post that will get you maximum engagement, like create that type of a post which gives you maximum engagement. Okay, so make people follow you on multiple social media networks. So okay, create post for all the social media channels, whatever you can cover, like but you need to cover, I think only, sorry, you need to cover, you need to cover mainly LinkedIn, sorry, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, most of the, and if you can YouTube also, if you are interested in making videos. Okay. Or here is a marketing strategy also, like for example, if you run a clothing store, you can give 20% discount for the whole year for 3 winners who want to participate. Like, yeah, you can give the you can make these type of strategies, like I uh, our company give the our company give winners to the these type of discounts. Okay, so the I am repeating the first 3 points strategy. So first is like build your landing page and connect with them on your website or all the social media handles if you can. And second is create products to promote, like what you sell. And third is build your list through social media. And for this, grow list with webinars. Okay, after growing some audience with social media and all the landing pages, you need to grow list with webinars. So conduct some webinars and with your specialized uh, yeah, with your specialized niche, and offer a training, establish connections with the audience, and do repeated webinars and promote your offers where auto webinars also help. Sorry. So fifth, like last and final strategy is lead lead magnets, free courses, membership sites. It's same like you can also give them free courses after giving a, yeah, this is like funnel. First you need to give them some free ebook, then okay, then make them attend your live webinar or something, then and then a bunch of seminars you can give them offer them a free courses to generate leads, have something valuable, like yeah, have something valuable, make a course, record, like you can make a course easily, like make a course, record 5 videos on your niche, record 5 videos and connect all the videos and make a course. You can also post this type of course on Udemy or similar sites as a lead magnet. Offer your course as a lead magnet. Don't think about to make money from this type of courses, because you need to think in long term if you want to be really successful. So offer your courses as a lead magnet, like only subscribe, like you only need to give me your email ID or name, and the course will be yours, these type of things. And with the help of, and you can also promote your courses, free courses uh, via paid ads or on your Facebook groups. Paid ads is like Google ads, YouTube ads, or Facebook ads, or something similar. Lead magnets should be a juicy piece of content which will get you attract of your target audience and make their life easier. Yeah, so this is most important part of the all the 5 strategies. Last line is the most important part, like lead magnet should be a juicy piece of content, like whatever your lead magnet, like if your lead magnet is a video, so the video is very good, should be very good, like which attracts people's attention. And if your lead magnet is like a free ebook, so the ebook should be very good. And here you don't need to write a long ebook, like you can create a ebook like for only 70-80 pages or something, or only 50 pages. So yeah, you can start with them. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, I think. So let me, okay, give me a comment like what you think about today's video. And okay, let's meet you tomorrow with some interesting topic. Okay, so bye guys.